Hello, welcome to Bakemas Day 7. Today we are making Cowboy cookie mix in a jar. And if you don't know what Cowboy cookies are, I didn't either, but stay tuned and you will find out. First off, you will need a jar. You'll want a quart-sized container. Mine is just shy of a quart, and yet again we have another recipe that I'm worried is not going to fit. So stay tuned to see if this is a disaster or not. To start, we want 1 cup of flour. This recipe calls for 1 cup of white whole wheat flour, and I didn't have that. I just had all-purpose and whole wheat. So I used 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. To that, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of allspice. And we're going to whisk that all together. You want to make sure all of your spices get nicely distributed throughout the flour. And then we're going to put it into our jar. If you have a canning funnel, go ahead and get that out, or you can just make a makeshift one with foil or parchment paper. And we're going to spoon all of our flour into our jar. Now I'm going to take my 1/4 cup measuring spoon and really pack this flour down because I have a lot of ingredients that I need to fit in my jar. And there's a lot of air that you can press out of your flour. It doesn't have to be super perfect because I can pack it down more once I put our next ingredient in, but give it a little shimmy to even out the flour layer. We like to see those nice clean layers on the side when we're done. Next up, we're going to add 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, preferably into our jar. And I'm just going to pack those down. Even though they don't pack a lot, I want to press my flour down more if I can. And then shake that layer level. On top of that, we're going to add 3/4 cups of sugar. Now, the recipe calls for coconut sugar, and I just have raw cane sugar today. And then I'm gonna press that down a little bit and shake that smooth. On top, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries and level those out. Then we have a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans and level those out. I think we're gonna make it. And lastly, to top it all off, a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. They don't have to be mini ones, but that's what I'm using. Right up to the brim. And there it is, our Cowboy cookie mix. Lots of different flavors and textures in these cookies. They sound amazing. So, once you've constructed your cookie mix in a jar, pop the lid on. We're going to put a handy dandy gift tag on there. Which one? Ooh. I mean, they're Cowboy cookies, so the trailer or the truck? I think the truck. And then I'm gonna go with a gold bow today. There you go. And so I borrowed this recipe from the Live Simply website. I will link that down below for you guys to check out, along with the instructions that you will need to give your gift recipient so that they can bake these on their own. So go down in the description, get all the ingredients that you'll need and the instructions for your gift recipient. And if you haven't been staying caught up with Bakemas 2022, be sure to check that out and be sure to subscribe so that you are notified when the rest of Bakemas 2022 are out. And if you're ready to go watch the episodes you missed, go ahead and click on this screen and I will see you guys there. Thanks for watching.